Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So I hope you guys are enjoying the birthday month series, and today's video is going to be a fun makeup challenge. So as you saw in the title, today's video is going to be a left hand makeup challenge, and that too under 5 minutes. Now doing makeup with left hand is not at all easy, okay? It takes double time and you don't get any perfection even. So it's going to be fun. So without wasting any time, let's just get started with today's video. And I have nothing on my face right now, just a lip balm, and let's get started. Okay, so the first step definitely is to get our hair out of the place. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set timer for 5 minutes, but before that I'll just moisturize my face because this is not a makeup product. So after moisturizing my face, I'll start the timer and then we can just start. This counts as skincare before makeup, so I'm not using the timer for this purpose. And let me just use this. So I'm using the glutathione cream. Now I actually use Olay, but right now I didn't find Olay near me, so I have quickly taken this. My skin is getting super dry, so we'll take a lot of moisturizer, because if you want your base to fit in really good, you need a lot of moisturizer. And especially for skin like me, even if you empty the entire jar, it's not sufficient, okay? So people with dry skin, if you're seeing this is the amount of moisturizer that you need to use, okay? Especially use it around your nose. That's the area where you get a lot of dryness. And now I think I'm drenched in this cream. Now we can just start. Okay you guys, so I'm just setting a timer, so let's just keep it to 5. Just set the timer 5 minutes, like if you can just see. Yeah, you can see. So I'm just going to start it. I just got all my weapons ready for this war, and I'm just starting this. Okay, now I need to rush. So first of all, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel, left hand, and I just need to dot it bit. See, there's a lot of hydration now. I'm gonna use Fit Me in the shade 125, and oops, I'll need to take this on this hand. Okay, concealer. Just gonna use it. I forgot to carry my loose powder, so I'm not doing it. I know it's weird, but I don't have it. Highlighter. Just using my hands now because applying the lipstick first, so that even if the time goes out, I'm done. And I'm using blush. Pretty much done now. I guess it's a presentable look. And now I'm just going to use time's up. Okay guys, so time is up, and look at this makeup look that I'm able to create. It looks super natural, okay? So this is the exact makeup look that is suitable for every day. It's kind of, if you're going for office or college, you can just take this look because it has only like a base, your foundation, and your concealer. If you want to use, you can use. If you want to skip, you can also skip. I must have skipped it, then I would be able to add one or more things. Then one thing which I forgot is mascara, but since it doesn't look so weird yet, so this is a look that you can, you know, carry outside if you are going for office or college, and it looks super natural. Like, look at this. Doesn't even, because see, your scars are still visible because there's not high coverage foundation. Okay, you can use your regular no base or BB cream, something like that. Now let's come to another part, which is blending. So let me just zoom in and show you. Like, this is blended really well. Like, look at this. There are no cracky or you know what I can say, patches anywhere. Like, you can just see it's so seamless blending. And this happened only, and you know, this dewy base was possible only because of lot of moisturizer that I used in the beginning. Okay, if I wouldn't have used that amount of moisturizer, I would not be able to blend this out really good. Okay, so I'm quite happy with this look, specifically with left, and even with right it would have looked the same. So I'm really happy with the blending and all. So yeah, you can also try this challenge out because you know, it's fun. Take a 5-minute challenge, try it yourself, set a timer and use your left hand, and let me know how was it. So yeah, this was about today's fun makeup challenge video. It's a short challenge, I know, but I thought let's just do it. It would be fun, and I really enjoyed this look. Like, it's perfect as I wanted it. So yeah, that was all about today's video. Let me know what other challenges you want me to do. Specifically, if you have any makeup challenges in mind, let me know. So yeah, that's about today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.